Alright guys, what we got here is a Hoover. Z400. The Hoover Z400. It will kneel down if you pull that little circular thing out. And you need to pull it out to bring it back up. Here we're going to empty our canister. Hold on for 1 second here. Let me pause this. Would be nice to have a remote for this. Alright guys, here we go. Got me a bag. Now to remove this, you just simply, there's a handle right here. Outside's probably the best place to do this because the dust gets everywhere when I do these. But the other way I do it is I take a bag, that one has a hole in it, dang it. Okay, you pull the arm down, this thing drops down and pulls out. Then you have yourself a dust trap. Situation to open. Take it, put it in your bag, dump her out, close her back up, put it straight back in there, push up on it, pull the arm back up, and there you're done. It's empty.